So hi friends, from today we are starting with SQL. So basically what is SQL? SQL is a standard query language for accessing and manipulating databases. Types of SQL query operations. So there are four types of SQL query operations which are Ddl, Dml, Dcl and Tcl. So Ddl, what is Ddl? Ddl is the short name of data definition language which deals with the database schemas and descriptions. So it contains create, alter, drop, trinket and remit. So basically what is create? Create is used to create a database and its objects like table, index, views, store, procedure, functions and triggers. Then after alters the structure of the existing database. It is used to update the structure of the existing database. Drop delete object from the database. Drop delete whole object from the database. Truncate remove all records from a table including all spaces allocated for records are removed. Truncate remove all the records but the schema of that record remains in the database. After that, for fifth one is rename. Rename is used to change the name of an object. The second type of query operations are DML. DML is the short name of data manipulation language which deals with the data manipulation and includes most common SQL statements such as select, insert, update and delete. So most popular command in SQL is select. Select is used to retrieve data from a database. After that, insert. Insert is used to add data in a database or table. After that, update. Update existing data within a table. To make changes in a data of a table, we use update. Delete all records from a table. Merge is used to combine records from a table. The third type of query operation is DCL. DCL is the short name of data control language which deals with the access. So there are two commands in DCL. First one is grant and revoke. Grant is used to give access to the user and revoke is used to withdraw access from the user. The fourth type of query operation is TCL. TCL stands for transaction query language which deals with the transaction within a database. So it contains commands such as commit, rollback, save point. Commit is used to save a transaction. Rollback is used to retrieve a transaction. Means to cancel a transaction we can use rollback. Afterwards, save point. Save point is used to roll back the transaction making points within a group. So these are the four type of query operation which we can use in SQL. We can see the practical implementation of this SQL query operation in the next lecture. For that, stay tuned, subscribe us and like the video. Thank you so much.